Hi, did you know there are now two ways to remove a background from an image in Canva? One is free and the other is with Canva Pro. Let's look at this battle of the background removers to my screen and take a look. Here you can see I've set this up already with two photos I had taken recently that I want to remove the backgrounds of because they're quite busy and I want to use them in a different design. First, let's look at the app. This is new. So if we go down to apps on the side here on your left, and we're going to need to search. It's much faster. And let's put in background eraser, this one's called. And here you are. Let's open this app. And then I have to upload a file and watch the background disappear. I'm going to get this file that I've added. Open that. And then let's click remove background. And I'm leaving this in real time because it doesn't take very long. And it makes sense for you to know how long these things take. And here you can see the remove background. It has taken out basically everything. Unfortunately, taken out most of the laptop as well, which I did want in. Now let's look at Canva Pro. So to use Canva Pro, I need to click on the image, then go to Edit Photo, and background removal for Pro is here. If I just click on that, oh, good. And you can see how quickly it does that. And it leaves in all the bits that I would want, which is like the laptop, the coffee mug, the mouse with my hand, because this was all looking very hazy. That's a really easy way of doing it. The big difference, of course, is that the app is free. So you do have that as an option. As you can see, Canva Pro is a very much better. But if you don't have Canva Pro, you will get an image, but not as good as Canva Pro, in my opinion. Then you can always use the background eraser app. But then, of course, I'm biased. And if you want to try Canva Pro for free, I'll put a link below this video and you can have a free 30-day trial and test out all the other options that you have with Pro. And all the Pro features are the ones with the crown next to them. And you can see how many, particularly with the AI, that Canva now has. Of course, there is a third way of getting a good quality image, but you have to go outside of Canva to do it. And that's to go to remove.bg, which is the original background remover I always used to use before Canva had it as a pro feature. And I think that Canva's editor is based on remove.bg. But let's just try this as well so you can see how this works. I need to upload an image and go to my same image, open it. And this is very fast as well. And you can see it's basically taken out exactly the same things that the Canva Pro version did. I can now take this directly into Canva's created design. If you want to use this option, it is free to begin with. There is a free account. You get 1 free credit, 50 free previews, and that's all. If I want to take it as a subscription or pay as you go, you can see that really, if I wanted to do a few different changes, I'd probably be better off investing in Canva Pro for all the other features that I get as well as part of the Canva Pro subscription. I hope that helps. 3 ways to look at background remover. As I said, I think the Canva Pro is far superior, but there is an alternative. And you can always go outside and then come back into Canva. The facility, but to be able to just edit your photos and take out backgrounds really easily within Canva is fantastic. And I love that feature. If you found this video useful and you'd like to know when I record another one, please click the subscribe button below and I'll see you soon.